Why is her line perfect and mine is like Maleficent? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on, I tried to follow a YouTuber trend on YouTube. You guys must have already seen 100 of those videos. But I tried to follow a YouTuber's makeup. Thought I should join the bandwagon. And I'm going to be trying Jaclyn Hill Easy Smoky Cat Eye. She posted this in January 2017, so this is like a year old. But I thought, you know what, I've always wanted to do a cat eye and I can never do a cat eye. And I thought, who's going to teach me to do a cat eye other than Jaclyn Hill? Hello. So I'm going to be following her. May the Lord be with me. Apparently, I've already kind of seen this and I haven't tried it. I've never tried a tutorial that I've seen in this spirit. But I'm going to try it and see where I go. I cannot do eyeshadow to save my life, so this could go horribly wrong. So I'm gonna try and do this smoky eye look.
You basically how to achieve like the easiest smoky eye ever. You don't have to use the exact same product.
She said the easiest smoky eye ever. Oh my god. I better be able to do this. I'm scared.
This only requires basically 2 brushes and 1 eyeshadow palette.
She said 2 brushes and 1 eyeshadow palette. Can we discuss how I've got like 3? Because you know, you don't know. You never know. She said 2 brushes. I have like 500.
2 brushes and 1 eyeshadow palette. It is so easy, and the technique itself is super easy. If you follow along, like I swear, you can do this.
She said if I follow along, she swears that I can do this. Jackie Honey Bun, the pressure is on. I'm scared.
The 25A palette looks like these. Is it in focus?
Honey Bun, don't have that. Don't have that. But what do I have? I feel like Urban Decay Naked Palette.
The 2 brushes that I'm going to mainly be using on my lid are my Ride or Dies recently. This one right here I've been using for years and years, and this is the Morphe M433. If you have the MAC 2.
I'm using Real Technique because, you know.
I know this is crazy, but I usually pick up all 3 of these shades, so it doesn't really matter. Just pick one, pick the other one.
What?
You can go with all 3, but these 3 middle shades right here are like my favorites because they're very similar but yet different at the same time.
She's got 3 shades of brown. Okay, I have 3 shades of brown. Ish. Kind of. I do. Yeah, I do. We're gonna pretend I do.
Like medium tone neutral brown will do the trick for this look. So I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna initially place my brush right on the outer corner of the eye right here. And I'm going to just begin to put that in the crease area. For this look, we're gonna kind of create like a cat eye essentially. So I don't want to put a ton of product on the inner corner.
I feel like this is too dark. Hold on. She's quite fair in comparison to me, and I'm quite dark. So this looks like a mess. I don't know.
Product on the inner corner of the eye. I want to leave that pretty nude and blank. I want basically everything to be on the outer corner. So we're going to start in here. As you can see, I'm not starting as high as normal. Normally I start like all up in here, my crease, and I start with like a longer hair brush. Not today. I'm going to keep it nice and low because I don't want this eye look to go up too high.
I feel like I went
towards
high.
the brow.
Am I already making mistakes and we're only like 3 minutes in?
Like towards the brow.
Got you.
This eye look to go up too high, like towards the brow. I want to keep it kind of down here a little bit.
I feel like I've already went there.
I just always make sure that everything is blended every step of the way before I move on to another color or another brush. Just make sure that everything is smooth because that's the way you really achieve a flawless looking.
Hold on. Girl's got a blend.
Eye is just to blend every single.
I'm just blending. I'm just blending, seeing what this goes. I feel like this eye's blended. This one is like screaming, "What did you do to me?" This eye of mine is like livid.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some translucent powder, and this is the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder, even though I keep it in a Sephora package. And then I'm going to pick up this brush. You guys, I cannot live.
Okay, we're going to use Laura Mercier. She's queen, honey bun. Queen. I feel like the brush she's using looks like this, but I could be totally wrong. I have no idea.
Out this brush, and it's again from Morphe, and it's the E47. It looks like this. Oh my gosh. What I do is I take this, I stamp it into my translucent powder. Any translucent powder will do. Tap off the excess, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the shape that I want to have on my eyeshadow.
So she did like that. Okay, I'm doing it, honey bun. I'm doing it. You know what, Jaclyn, honey bun? I have faith in you. I think we got this. I have faith in myself. We got this.
If you want to have like a really intense, like cut eyeshadow, you can do that. You can make whatever shape you want. I'm gonna start. I'm trying to make sure I'm in camera. I'm gonna start right here at the corner. and I'm gonna just stamp it.
Cute. I love how I'm talking to my translucent powder like it can hear me. I'm like, hold on, translucent powder, hold on, stay there. I mean, let's pretend I'm on the right track.
You can see I did not take that translucent powder and touch it all the way like to my actual lower lash line. Do you see that? How it's not actually touching right here in this section? The reason I leave that blank is because at one point after we get done with the upper lid, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go down in this area, and I don't want that translucent powder to get in the way.
Okay.
So it's under, and I'm just going to put this underneath here. Just in case I get really messy with my eyeshadow and have like a ton of...
In case she gets messy, I feel like I'm already messy. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Is it me or does translucent powder remind you of baking soda? Or like flour? No, it reminds me of baking soda. Like, it's like I'm putting baking soda or baking powder under my eyes. Oh, I think it's baking powder.
So you're just sticking right there on that lash line.
Wait! She's so fast. No, she's not fast, she edited it.
On that lash line, we're going to get that lash line nice and dark, just on the outer corners, going back and towards that translucent powder that I have there. Just working in nice and slow motions. You can see I'm just slightly creating a little line. Nothing intense.
Why is her line perfect and mine is like Maleficent?
Scary. I'm going to go back in with the original brush, and I'm going to just go right over top of that. There's nothing on that brush right now at all. It's fully naked.
So what's she doing? Hold on, my baking powder has gone missing. I mean, my baking powder. I mean, my translucent powder is all of a sudden vanished from my face. Do I need to like put it back? Oh, I don't really use translucent powder because I have very grey skin. I look like the villain from Aladdin. Don't remember the name of him, but I really look like one of those villains.
So the trick when you begin to like swoop out this dark shadow is to not have too much on your brush. Like, you don't want to go in and touch the product and have fresh shadow on there and then start swooping it out, because it will get messy very, very quickly because you'll have too much product. You want to go in with just a little bit of product on that brush and begin to sweep it outward.
Okay, wait, hold on. So she left the inner corner blank. I have a hunch I didn't. I have a hunch I just went all the way. Well, I don't have a hunch. I know I just went all the way in.
Like a matte shadow there or anything, because it just gives it like a sultry, kind of sexy, natural look. And you know what I mean when I say natural? Like, obviously the smoky eye doesn't look like you roll out of bed, but it just gives it...
Smoky eye doesn't look like you rolled out of bed. I wish. Honey bun, I wish it looked like I rolled out of bed.
Have you ever noticed how when you look at like models and matte...
Also, I realised I've only been doing one eye. I forgot that. I forgot I had another one. Wait, what did she do?
See, and I just like it because it just gives like a sexy, sultry vibe. Oh, magic of translucent powder.
She just like...
Hi.
She just did that to the translucent powder. Hold on. I want to do this. She's right. You're good. You're great. She did the job. It's magic.
You can see after I wiped away that translucent powder on my lower lash line, do you see how I have some darkness down there? So I'm going to start on the outer corner because that's where I want the most emphasis to be on the lower lash line. And I'm going to just connect the lower lash line to the upper. As you can see, it basically already is. Because
I feel like this requires a lot of freaking detail.
Connected. This is not necessary, but if you just want to be like a crazy perfectionist, which I usually am,
me too.
I will do this. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe gel liner. I swear to God.
Wait, she did the other eye. Keep forgetting, I honestly have neglected my other eye. No joke, that's why it looks atrocious, because I've neglected it. If she's using Morphe, I'm going to use Lasting Drama Gel by Maybelline. Maybelline New York. My eyes are watery now. My eyes are watering.
On it, and I'm going to just kind of on the outer corner of the lower lash line only. I'm going to kind of smudge it down just a little bit, just kind of like pressing it down.
She's smudging?
Because I want it to be like way darker and blacker on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to grab just like a definer brush like this. It's the Morphe 432.
Putting black underneath her eyes.
I'm going to just go a little bit bit more of that black, and I'm going to just only on the outer portion of the eye. I am not going to drag and smoke out that black. I'm going to do that same thing on the upper lash line as well, just right here on the outer edge.
It doesn't look pretty on me. Did I do it?
As well, just right here on the outer edge. I'm just going to take that brush and just really get that outer corner nice and black, just because. Okay, let's just...
Wait, hold on. Thinking that she was going to put a winged eyeliner on, but it doesn't look like she's going to put a winged eyeliner. Are we done?
Let's just remove any extra translucent powder that we have. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal.
Wait. Removing the translucent powder that I just discovered is a magic trick.
This carbon black mascara. Oh my gosh, I almost just stabbed
myself.
Okay, I'm going to be using the eye, and I'm going to
be using Bad Gal by the one and only Benefit. This should work just fine. Okay, sorry. I thought, if you hear me with these weird noise effects, that's me thinking I've ruined my face.
Applying the intoxicating lashes by Flutter.
I'm gonna go for my Cheryl Sexy Senorita lashes. I'm just gonna do them and come right back to you. The lashes were probably the hardest part of the whole situation. It took me about 15 minutes to put them in because I'm like atrocious when it comes to that. But you know what? I'm really impressed. I'm super impressed. I put some lipstick on as well. I put Kiko. And I did a highlighter and I put the one and only Fenty Beauty. She's the best. She's queen. Can't see my highlighter, can you? Can you see now? No, you can see me in the mirror. You can see my atrocious hairstyle, my tarantula. This hairstyle is called the tarantula. I would never have thought I could actually do this look. Like, this is the kind of video I would watch and be like, oh, I wish I could do that. But now that I followed it, I'm actually not that bad. If you squint, like I don't even do heavy makeup. So this is kind of my first time doing heavy makeup, and it's my first time following a tutorial. It's my first time on YouTube. It's like the first time for everything, and I think it's not too shabby. I think I did okay. Let me know what you want to see me do next. Want me to follow somebody else? Maybe I could do a get ready with me. Do you want me to do a get ready with me? With the playlist. Oh my god, my music. Oh my god. Do you want me to play you a bit of... Do you want to know what song I'm actually obsessed with? It's a song in my mind. I'm obsessed. Anne-Marie and Marshmallow. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm saying I'm obsessed. If you're watching this and you're from America and you're from the South, let me know, because I actually love your accent so much. Like, I wish I was American from the South. This could be my every YouTube video look, because I feel like it's the first look I know how to do and the only look I know how to do with eyeshadows, because I don't even put eyeshadows on, guys. I usually just wing it, like a winged eyeliner, brows, foundation and a highlighter and a bronzer, contour, and I'm out. Also, guys, have you heard the song Home With Me, Home With You with Madison Beer? I just discovered it like the other day and I'm living for it. Oh, living. Tell me what you like, but it's never gonna change. So you do what you want. And Jaclyn Hill, this look has me going. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm living for it. Thanks, Jaclyn. You're the best. You're the queen. You're everything. Yeah, I talk too much. I should probably go. Okay, I have to go. My camera's telling me go.